guys, welcome to our home tour. So come on in, let's go ahead and start with the entryway and I'm gonna show you guys around a little bit. So starting here, right when you walk in, we have this really dope oval mirror that we got from Umbra. And then coming down below it, we have a cute little wallflower. Great investment because every time you walk right in, you smell it and it's iconic, you guys. And then we have this cute little shoe rack right when you walk in. That way you can put your shoes there. So follow me in and we'll go ahead and go right over to our little computer nook area. We went ahead and we put our MacBook computer right here. A couple of candles, and this thing is really awesome too. This is also from Umbra. He thought it'd be a really great idea to kind of put our keys on there. We have a really cute hustle print. Right up here, we have this really cute clock from Umbra that we recently just got. Okay, so now following right over here to the hallway, we have the washer and dryer in here, which not really necessary to show you guys. And then we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. And if you guys want to see our bedroom tours, give this video a thumbs up and go ahead and comment below. And then maybe we'll show you guys like through our bathrooms and our bedrooms because you know those are cute too. All right, so come on down here, follow me down the hallway. Okay, you guys, so this is the living room, which we finally just recently got completed. This is our beautiful couch. We've always wanted a big, beautiful couch that a bunch of people can get on and it's super comfortable. And then right above the couch here, we have another big circle mirror from Umbra. We absolutely love it. And then we have these 2 paintings on the sides. Those are both from Target. It came in a little 2-pack. So those are really chic, and that also kind of ties the whole area together. And then following down here on the rug, we got this little faux fur white rug from Ross. Actually, it was a really, really great price. And then this coffee table, actually, we got online. I believe we got it from Walmart, also a really good price. And then we wrapped it actually in our own marble contact paper. Again, super cheap, super great idea. We can even link some things down below for you guys if you're interested. So on top of the coffee table, we have this really beautiful tray. Again, we got this from Target, a really good price. And then on top of it, we also have a really cute plant that we recently just got. A cute candle that says the future is female. And then we also have this really cute crystal stone that we get from this little place that's right down the street that we absolutely love as well. And then on the couch here, we have 2 little throw blankets. I believe they're also both from Target. And then moving right over along here to this little TV entertainment section. And then on this organizer, it came with a couple of little bins that we keep some things in the bottom, like electrical and just like, you know, kind of extra things. And then on these shelves, we have a couple of really cute candles. And then we have these really beautiful vases. And then right in the middle here, we have a really beautiful picture frame. It actually lights up from Umbra. And then this last little cubby here has a salt lamp globe. Okay, so moving right along, right next to the TV area, we have this beautiful planter. This is again from Umbra. We recently got this as well and filled it with some cactuses. And then right next to it, we got this fake plant from Target as well. And then right above and next to the plants, we have these big, beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows, which we absolutely love, you guys. Brings in so much light to the place, which was really one of our biggest reasons we wanted to move into this place because we absolutely love the lighting that it brings in. And then we have a little door right here which leads out to the balcony, which it's raining out there, so you know, nothing too special. We don't really have any furniture out there yet, but that is to come. So let's go ahead and take you right over to the kitchen.
Oh, hi guys, didn't know you were here today to see our house. Okay, you guys, so let's just get started. So on the other side of the living room is the entire kitchen space, and to separate the living room from the kitchen, we have this gigantic mirror that we got from IKEA. This is one of the best pieces we ever bought. It really just opens up the entire room. And then right next to it, we have this beautiful little painting. We got this from Ross. Right underneath the painting, we have this cute little gold shelf situation. And on the very top of it, we have this cute little fake plant and a candle from Fresh. This candle, by the way, you guys, smells so freaking good.
Smells awesome.
On the second shelf down here, we actually have a collection of some of our crystals. We'll continue to build our collection, hopefully soon. And then on the very third tier of the shelf, we have some kind of just random eclectic little things. So let's just move on to our little center island table. This is actually something that we got from Costco, and it was really affordable, and it was just plain stainless steel. So what we decided to do was also cover this with that sticky marble. Also on top of this table, this is something that we switch up all the time. Right now we have a really cute little pink candle, this adorable little plant. You guys, like, this guy makes me so freaking happy, and he's real. We have a little coaster, a crystal on it. This is actually a rose quartz crystal. We also have these little bar stools. I think we got these from Walmart. They were super inexpensive. All right, so moving into the kitchen, you guys. So I'll start in this corner right here. In this corner, we have a little bit of decor. We have this really cute framing from Umbra, the same one that we actually have in the living room. We obviously need to get some like real pictures in them, but that will come soon. We also have another candle. We love candles. They're all over the house. This one's actually from Brooklyn Botany, and it smells so freaking good. We love that we have a flat stovetop here because it's so much easier to clean. I'm not gonna show you inside all the cabinets, but if that's something you guys are interested in seeing, I guess let us know in the comments below and we can do like maybe like an organization video. So starting in this corner of the kitchen, we have this super cute knife rack. It's marble. We got it from one of our really good friends. We love that. In the corner, we have a little cheese board, and we also have this, like, I guess it's like for really anything. We put nuts or fruit. It's just like if we're hosting friends. And then up here on these shelves, we keep all of our wine glasses on this first shelf. We have a cooking book and a wine decanter in the corner. And then on the top shelf, we have just a bunch of decor items. So they're super cute. Everything is silver and gold, so that's kind of our theme around here. Moving on down, we freaking love our kitchen window, you guys. Like, this is game changing. It just brightens up the house so much, and we love that we can kind of like look out the window as we're cleaning up and doing dishes. But on here, we have this really cute frame from Umbra. We might put pictures in it, but we actually kind of like the vibe of the pictures that they have in it already. Another super cute little vase that we got from Umbra. This is like our obsession. Like, look how freaking cute it is, you guys. And then in this corner here, we have some wine things. We have a decanter for drinking any big Cabernets or anything like that. We do live in wine country in Sonoma, so we're big wine drinkers. And we also have this cute little wine rack that really comes in handy as well. And then basically the refrigerator, and that's basically it for the kitchen, you guys.
Okay guys, so that was our home tour.
And honestly, you guys, we love the way it's been coming together. These last few pieces that we got from Umbra really just put the entire place together, so we are so excited.
And we are not 100% done yet. I'm sure we're gonna have a few things here and there that we do have to put together. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you do wanna see our bedroom tours,
totally, yeah, we each have our own bedrooms and our own bathrooms. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, let us know in the comments below. And also, we did film an empty house tour when we first moved into this apartment. So if you guys want to see that, we'll link that down below for you guys too.
So thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and we'll see you in our next video.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye guys.
Bye. Bye. Later. We did it.
Who wants to see our room tours? Who wants to see our room tours? Who? Do you want to see a refrigerator tour? Do you want to see a pantry tour? Do you want to see a closet tour? Tour. We can do a tour.